Hi everyone, this is Aki with another quick video on Adobe Acrobat and how to save your PDF and convert them to Excel. And sometimes, it works well if you just directly convert to Excel, but sometimes it actually works better if you save it as Word and then you convert that to Excel. So let's say, I'm looking at this large file and I'm looking at these tables, and, sometimes you can manually copy from your PDF, copy and paste it to Excel, but sometimes it doesn't work, especially when you have more complex tables. So one way to do it is basically, first I'm going to just extract this page because I'm just interested in these tables. So you click on the triangle on the left, you go to the pages view, you right click the page you're interested, you click extract pages. And so now it's going to be easier for me to just work with this page because, the file was like over 100 pages, so it would be very messy. So now I'm going to go to File and then Export to, and I would say Spreadsheet. And I'm going to click Microsoft Excel Worksheet. I'm going to save it somewhere. And right away, if you have set up for default opening right after export, it will show up. So right now, I can see that it actually did a fantastic job. And sometimes, you might have to some merge columns and so on, but in our case, it worked pretty well. Now, another way to do it, if this won't work, is basically first to export this to Microsoft Word and save it somewhere. And once it opens, you can see actually the tables can come out really nice. And sometimes it works better, like if you have this table cross right there at the top left, if you just copy this and you go to Excel and you paste it, and sometimes it works better this way. So there are two ways. I'm just telling you, in our situation, it didn't make an impact, but I've had situations where actually the tables didn't transfer very well from, just going to export them directly to Excel. So sometimes I had to do the first step of saving it in Word and then saving in Excel. So these are two ways of converting your PDF documents to Excel. Thanks so much for watching.